Hello YouTube. How's everyone doing? I hope good. This is my 1,000 hour review of the Tevo Tornado. I have 1,050 hours printing on it. It's almost a bone stock unit. It has a couple of modifications that would affect print quality. One of them is the Capricorn XS Bowden tube rather than the stock PFTE Bowden tube. That tube is shortened. I took about 4 inches off of it versus the length of a stock tube. The stock one's too long and can lead to under extrusion issues if the filament binds inside of it. So I did that. I changed the other one. The cooling duct is slightly different than stock. You can see it there, it's green. I changed that cooling duct. And then I'm running TL Smoothers in the control box. I also have taken the stock control box fans that were inside the box, replaced them with externally mounted Delta ball bearing 50 by 20, 24 volt fans. And now, you hear how close you are, you can't even hear the control box running. You can hear the printer printing, but you can't hear the control box running right over next to it. So the fans really quiet it down. They do a great job. So my stock Tornado prints amazing. I've really done nothing to it. I haven't done a cooling fang upgrade, although it'll come. I have a Gen L board with a couple of different stepper drivers to play with. That'll come down the road. I haven't even upgraded the firmware. I'm still running the firmware that's shipped on the unit. And prints amazing. So I really like it. It's a great purchase. In fact, it's such a great purchase that when a sale came along, I got a matching friend. This is another Tornado. Same generation. It's got the Christmas 2017 card in it. So it'll be the same generation as the one I have now. I'm going to use the new Tornado for a series of videos of how-tos on all the steps necessary to provision and get your Tornado going from scratch. B-ref, E-steps, extruder spring tension, some other things. But that unit's going to stay stock. And now this one, with the 1,000 hours on it, is going to start to get modified. It's going to get an upgraded cooling fan, upgraded hot end fan. Eventually it'll get the Gen L board with some different drivers. I'll probably try out both the 2208s and the 2130s. I have 8279 drivers for the extruder for both. I have a set of open builds wheels, Delrin wheels, to put on this. So I'll be putting those on. There's a few other little things I have stashed away. I forget what they all are. But I have a few other things put away that I'll be putting on it and doing some modifications. And then comparing the modifications for it side by side with the new stock one. So that's what's coming down the line in terms of Tornado videos. So that should tell you something, how much I love the Tornado. I bought a second one. And I'm going to be setting it up. In fact, I evicted my OfficeJet printer. And I'm going to be setting the other Tornado up on the other end of this desk. And then there's a third Tevo printer that's going in the middle. And that's a Tevo Michelangelo. So I got a Michelangelo to set up for a future review video. That'll end up going in the middle between the two Tornadoes. The Ender 2 I moved to my other desk over by the Delta. And the same desk where the i3 Mega's on. Anybody who's thinking about a Tornado, yes, they have an occasional quality issue. No, they're not perfect. It's a really good printer for the money. I'm really, really happy. That's why I purchased another. Print quality is amazing. And you don't need to dump a bunch of money into the printer. You need to dump a bunch of time into the printer. Some love, some hard work, and have patience. If you do that, it's a really, really nice printer. And I've been extremely happy with it. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to be notified of future videos. I've got a few coming down the pipe. The Michelangelo, the instructional videos on the new Tornado. We have an Ender 3 pre-ordered and on the way. So that'll be a while, but we'll have some Creality Ender 3 videos as well. And the filament video. I'm waiting on my linear rails to come. When you see how I filmed the video, you'll get why I used a linear rail, but I have a linear rail coming for part of the setup for the filming. So when that comes, I'll finish the construction of a little area where I'm going to display all the tiki bases and all the benchies that I printed in the different filament, and then do that video. So thanks for watching. Hope everybody has a good one. All right, bye.